Hey guys, I just am doing an unboxing right now of this PS4 I got today. So, yeah. So let's see if I can. I might actually, sorry about that, guys. My mom came in, so yeah. But I might have to open it with you guys not seeing it. So yeah, goodbye. And here it is, guys, the PS4. Yeah, and here's this. It came with a control, a thing I guess to plug it in, a charger, a thing to plug it in, a HDMI hookup. If you guys didn't see that, sorry. So many earbuds for some reason I don't want to use those. Yeah. And here's the game I got with it too. Lego DC Supervillains. Now, if I hang on, I'm just going to do some comparisons real quick. So, yeah. And here it is compared to the PS3. And, yeah, the PS3 is bigger, but I think the PS4 is better, though. Because it is slimmer. So, and this thing, yeah. Which I do have an Xbox One, but that's being used right now. Watching a good classic movie on it, Frankenstein, 1931. So yeah, goodbye. I'll be your friend right to the end.